How to use Nolo family law forms properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people assume family law forms are straightforward, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can delay court approvals, cause legal conflicts, or even jeopardize custody and support arrangements. The first mistake is entering incomplete or inconsistent information. Family law forms require accurate names, addresses, dates, and relationships. Beginners who leave fields blank or mismatch details risk rejection or additional court scrutiny. Another common error is skipping instructions. Nolo provides step-by-step guidance, but beginners often jump straight to the forms. This can lead to missing key documents, incorrect formatting, or overlook signatures. Many users also fail to file forms with the correct court or in the proper order. Filing mistakes can delay hearings or require refilling, costing both time and money. Ignoring local or state-specific rules is another pitfall. Family law requirements vary by jurisdiction, and beginners who assume forms are universal risk non-compliance or legal complications. Finally, some assume forms replace professional legal advice. While Nolo forms are helpful, complex cases involving custody disputes, property division, or spousal support may require attorney guidance. To use Nolo family law forms properly, provide complete and consistent information. Follow instructions carefully, file with the correct court, check local rules, and seek professional advice for complex situations. Avoid these mistakes, and your family law matters will proceed more smoothly and efficiently.